Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be using the ORS olive oil hairline collection. That will be the main focus of my video for the products, and I'm going to be doing a DIY ponytail hairstyle. The ponytail I made by myself, and I will leave video links about that down below. So I start off with the fortifying cream hairdress infused with castor oil for strengthening. It's 170 grams, it smells really nice, and it's £4.49 from Pax Cosmetics. It left my hair feeling very soft and ready to style. Prior to this, I did shampoo and condition my hair the day before, and I put it in some plaits. I find that when I put my hair in plaits rather than twists, it leaves the hair more stretched, more detangled, and easier to part and comb and style, rather than if I was to put it in some twists. Try to get your parting as neat as you can. I tried, but my arms got tired and then my parting got wonky. But try to get the parting as neat as you can, especially if you care about that kind of stuff for this hairstyle. I guess this is where some people would use the jam on their scalp, but me personally, I don't like the idea of putting jam all over my scalp. Jam was made for the hair and not the scalp, and I don't want to clog my pores or cause more dandruff or more itching. So I'd rather just use the wide tooth comb to detangle and the rat tail comb to part and make it as neat as I can. Next, I'm going to go in with some triangle sections, and I'm going to be using the Style and Curl Defining Smooth and Hold Pudding infused with coconut oil for a restorative shine. It adds body, it enhances curls, and it eliminates frizz. So this product is 368 grams. Smells really nice. It's £3.49 from Pax Cosmetics. And this is typically used for twists and braids and locks and things like that. It's not really strong enough to do a updo with, not unless you have type 2 or type 3 hair, or just really fine hair. But this product is typically used for twists and braids and plaits from the best of my knowledge. And I grew up using ORS products, so these products are not new to me. It's just that they now have added to the collection, and they also have a new design look for their containers. So I add the pudding to the base of my hair as well as to the mid-lengths to ends, so that I can have a nice secure twist. I smooth it in with my medium boar bristle brush, and when I add the elastic bands, I try not to add them too tight, because I don't want to pull out my front hairline. My front hairline is very fragile, and I want to protect it and keep it for as long as possible. So in the beginning I wanted to just put all the twists going back like so, but I realized I did not like that style. It made me look a bit childish, so I decided to turn it into some chiny bumps, aka Zulu knots, aka Bantu knots. And then I'm going in with my Kia Cosmetics growth oil. I did not like this oil to begin with, but it really grew on me. And I'm making sure that all of my scalp is fully oiled and nourished before I do my protective hairstyling for the week. Now I'm going in with the Fix It Grip Gel Ultra Hold, infused with castor oil for strengthening, Ultra Hold Gel for lace front, wig and weave application. Now if you actually read the back of this product, you can use it on your natural hair as well. It's 150 milliliters, smells really nice, and it was £4.49 from PAX. And it has nourishing oils such as olive oil, castor oil and burdock root extract, and it's said to be healthy for your scalp. The product also washes out very easily. So I twist the ends of my hair, wrap it into a small bun so that in the morning my ponytail will be easier to attach and it won't look so lumpy and bumpy. Next I'm going in with the Fix It Super Hold Spray just for some added hold and protection for the style and to tame the flyaways. Again, this is for wigs and weaves, but you can also use it on your natural hair or your relaxed hair. I'm going in with some more growth oil, and then I'm going to tie my hair down with my silk scarf and put an old tights on top so that the scarf doesn't fall off in the night. And the scarf is just going to protect my hairstyle and keep it nice and neat for the following morning. So in the morning I shower, I do my makeup, and then I get back to my hair. So I'm just going to add the final touches. I'm adding some more holding spray and some oil sheen. Sometimes the gel can leave a white cast on your hair, that's why I like to add some oil sheen on top. And I'm going in with some edge control just to spruce up my edges. I normally don't do edges or hairline or baby hair. I normally just leave my hairline alone, but for this look I wanted to just spruce up my hairline a bit. Growing up, it was all the rage. We used to do our baby hairs with jam or pink lusters hair gel. There was no such thing as edge control. So now that we have edge control, you know, it's all the rage once again. But typically I leave my edges alone because they're fragile and because I have adult hairs, not baby hairs. So this is a black holding spray, hairspray I should say, and you can use that to spray on any sparse areas of your hair or your hairline. Next I'm going in to spruce up my DIY ponytail, and I'm just adding water, mousse and hairspray. So the hairspray will just add some oil sheen to the hair basically. I could have pulled my string a bit tighter once I applied the ponytail, but I thought it was broken or something. But the next time I apply this ponytail, I will be pulling the string a bit tighter just to have it fit smaller and more secure, and that way I don't have to put so much bobby pins in. So I'm actually using open hairpins, not bobby pins, and I put enough of them in until the ponytail feels nice and secure. Next, I'm taking a small section to wrap around the base of the ponytail so that the style looks more natural and more neat and put together. Next, I'm going in with my scissors to just trim away any flyaways, any extra long pieces of hair, any parts of the hair that is sticking out that just doesn't look good. And I'm doing it like a tapered cut, not just a blunt cut. And in the final clip, I'm meant to be doing a talking outro, but something happened to the audio. But all I'm saying, guys, is that I really like the hairstyle. Do you like the hairstyle? Let me know down below, and I'll leave all the information down below on how I made the hair, the ponytail, and where I got the hair from and what products I used. So now I'm going to do a 360 for you. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.